These are the elevators here at the Tampa Airport West Shore, Tampa, Florida. As you can see, we got innovation universal call buttons, but don't let them fool you. Let the call stations fool you, because look at what we got. Got some completely original vintage Dovers. Up to 12. On 12. Here up on the 12th floor. Let's go back down to lobby. Let's get a cab view. Whoa, this thing dropped. Gotta say, I love Dover attractions. A lot of people say they're unreliable, but reality is, to me, they run just fine. And man, the drops and the rocket launching. Oh my gosh, they're fun. Going up?
Yeah.
Come on in. What floor?
2.
Have a good day.
Yeah. Nice job.
Whee! This thing is a rocket. Just started up so quickly and just pushes you up. These aren't bottom drive though. This is overhead. Alright, down to lobby. There's your other COP there. There's a key card, but apparently it isn't needed. There's firefighter operation and a help link. ThyssenKrupp phone. Made a random call at 8. Here on the lobby. What floor?
This is second? Or I think no lobby.
No, lobby, yeah.
This is lobby.
I'm just taking a ride, that's
Oh,
all.
you are?
Yeah.
Going up and down?
Yeah. I'm an elevator enthusiast. I do this as a hobby.
So do you have physical sensations when that happens, or it's just kind of like the movement and stuff?
Oh, this one's a rocket. It just depends on the kind. Some of them you feel like you're being launched up and you drop like Tower of Terror. Others, you don't really feel them.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Oh, my voice is on there?
No, it's alright. You're good. Have a nice
You
day.
too. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you so much. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Chime is a little annoying, but otherwise totally original from 1981 or 82 when the hotel was built. There's your interlock. Oh. Gonna pause here real quick. So yeah, here we are. We're on the top floor of the Hilton Airport. There's me in the mirror. Hello. Here's your elevator lobby. They recently completely renovated the place. But yeah, here's a hallway. This is a very nice hotel. But yeah, there's rooms here with new electronic card readers. Stairwell there. See if we can get a view. You can kind of get a view out, but not a whole lot though. service elevator. Alright, let's head back down. Let's see which one comes. I'm gonna get a few pics of this. Just gonna get a few video stills. Alright, call it down. This one. Let's go down to lobby. We'll end there. Whoa! This thing drops. Indicator's a bit drunk. Otherwise, this thing runs great. Here in the lobby. And we'll get off here. There it goes. Gonna get a shot of them. And there is your cringevation call buttons, which don't let them fool you. So anyways, there they go, and that will be it.